Guys, in this video I will show you how to convert your Excel worksheet into HTML. Very simple and easy way. Click on File, then Save As. Select the location like desktop and give a file name and Save As type. Select Excel workbook. So here you have to select web page. Now you can select entire workbook or any particular selection and save. Here you can select the auto republish or enable the auto republish. So this is the way guys you can convert your Excel worksheet into HTML. Thanks for watching.